So to find sound effects in Clipchamp is pretty easy. It's not intuitive, but it's over here in music. If you click on music, you'll see if you go here, all audio, what you want to do is just slide down to sound effects and then search what you want. So maybe a cat. To play it, you just go there and it should load up. And if you like it, you just press plus and then move it to where you want it. You can trim it and slice it as you wish if you only want part of it.